Okay, so we're going to get into this website. So we're at this point. This is part 2. We're going to click Edit Site. Okay, it's going to do that. It's going to look a little funny for a minute. Okay, and this is what you should see. I think someone took my picture off there. Let me just check. So here's a way that you can check. If you see something looks funny on the website, you know, there's no picture here, there's no words. I click Preview, and I can see what it's going to look like when it's actually published. And that's pretty important. You want to check every once in a while. Yep, I think I think Christine took my picture off there. I will have to adjust that. So that's okay. So you click Exit Preview if you want to get back to all the edits and things. I put this just on here just as like a public announcement. I just do that for once in a while, just so people can see it immediately. So you can take that down whenever. Okay, a couple things. We have our logo up here and things like that. There's this picture back here that changes every once in a while. I can't see that you need to edit it, but if you do, you can just click it. It will allow you to add more photos if you have any interest in that. Some other things on the main page. We just have a quick I'm new here. This will kind of just explain something. Actually, there's supposed to be something there. Yeah, okay. Well, I can see that some changes have already been made. So let's just check out what I still have here, okay? So here's the main bar. Not sure what happened here. And I'm going to just go to the home here. So I just kind of hover over that. Obviously, this is the home page. And I'm going to click Sermons. So if you ever want to add a sermon, here's some pictures that we just had of the church. You can edit this picture later if you want to replace image. Then you can click, you know, one of the pictures that's either been used, or you can browse on your own computer and insert something. Okay, so right now it's taking us to this YouTube page, which is going to be Pastor John's sermons. Obviously, you can change this link. If you want to keep this picture, but you want to change the link, you can go to Settings. You can click this and then change the YouTube link so you can put it for, you know, whose ever sermons or your live stream or your website or whatever you want to do with that. You can even replace the image and do the same thing. So that's probably a lot of information. Sorry, I'll try to slow down a little bit. So what I have here is I just did a simple thing where it's the date, the title of the sermon, and what you can do, you can make these kind of buttons. Let's see. I'm trying to remember how I did that. Here we go, button. If you want to make a button like that, you can just click this, Settings. You can make the button look however you want. For our theme, I think I just had this kind of button, but you can make them look however you want. Then you can add, you know, enter text. So then you could say read, and then you'd put a destination. You can put a link to a whole new website. You could put in just a link inside our own website. So if I wanted this to take somebody to our calendar, I could click this, and then I would save it. It would just send that person right to our calendar. So that's pretty handy. I'm going to get rid of this for now just because it's not necessary. But in this case, I used read. And then what I did is I uploaded a Word document of the sermon. So when you click on this, you could do it in preview if you wanted, or just on the regular website, you would get a new window of that Word document. Same thing with this. You want to click watch. So I have it uploaded to YouTube. So I click settings, and then I just link it up to the YouTube video that I want it to show, and then you can save it. I did that for each of these. These ones kind of just have the old ones on them. I honestly just got tired of replacing them every 2 seconds. So if you want to get rid of those, fine. However you want to do it. This should line up. Yeah. Once in a while, the website is a little touchy. Once in a while, things will look funny, which is why you need to click preview when you're done with a page. Just check it out. Sometimes the pictures get wonky. they, you know, sometimes it just does goofy stuff. And I'm not sure why, but just when you're done, check it out. So see how it lines up now. So it should be just fine. Okay, I'm going to exit that preview. That's going to be our first page. And that should be it for that. And I will do another part to show you the next one.